What is the role of rectangles in geometry optical illusions? Have you ever looked at a picture and felt like something was off, even though everything seemed in order? This is where rectangles come into play in geometry optical illusions. Rectangles are simple shapes, but they can create surprising effects in our perception. Rectangles are a type of quadrilateral, which means they have four sides. What makes rectangles special is that they have four right angles and opposite sides that are equal in length. This familiar shape is stable and easy to recognize, making it a perfect candidate for optical illusions. In many optical illusions, rectangles help us see how our brains can be tricked. For instance, take the orbison illusion. When a rectangle is placed over a background of intersecting lines, it can appear warped or skewed. The rectangle itself is still perfectly straight, but the lines around it create angles that confuse our visual system. This shows how our brain interprets angles and lines, sometimes leading to misperceptions about shape and size. Rectangles also play a role in illusions that involve dividing space. When a rectangle is split by arcs or lines, our eyes try to make sense of the divisions. This can lead to situations where parts of the rectangle seem unequal, even if they are the same size. This effect demonstrates how our perception of length and area can be influenced by the shapes around them. Moreover, rectangles are often part of illusions that manipulate parallel lines and symmetry. Because rectangles have clear properties, such as for sides and right angles, they serve as a reference point for our brains. When these properties are challenged by surrounding patterns, we might see lines that appear bent or sides that look unequal. In essence, rectangles are foundational in geometry optical illusions. Their straightforward and recognizable properties make it easier to spot distortions. They help us understand how our visual system interprets shapes and angles, showing us that context can change what we see. This makes rectangles an excellent tool for teaching important concepts in geometry, like angles and parallelism, while also revealing how our perception can differ from reality.